Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm basically going to be showing you how you can simply add the core mainnet to your Trust Wallet mobile app. Mostly everyone uses a MetaMask for this procedure. If you need to get the core from your core DAO or the core site itself or the application. But with this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply do that on your Trust Wallet. First of all, we're going to be reading the steps. As you can see here, you can pause the video to actually take a look at the necessary steps. The link to this site is going to be in the description of the video. But what we're after is actually the network name, its RPC URL, the symbol, and the block explorer URL. So you simply minimize, open up your Trust Wallet, head over to this toggle icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the plus sign. Once you've clicked on that, click on network. And as you can see, we're mostly on the Ethereum network, seeing as that's where Core is built, or Core DAO is partially built. Its chain list is going to be Ethereum. It's still going to be Ethereum at most, or you can leave it blank, but its name is going to be CROE Core. The symbol is going to be, you open this, currency symbol, Core again. So the name is Core Blockchain. The symbol is CORE. The node URL. I'm just going to go with this network RPC. Copy link address. Paste it here. The Explorer URL. Copy this link and paste it here as well. So I think we've got everything we need. Our next step is simply going to be clicking on save. Chain added successfully. Now you can send and receive core blockchain coins, add token and browse or connect the apps, and many more. Okay, so basically what you're going to do is you could search for this core, CORE. As you can see here, core blockchain, it's here. Or you could basically scroll to the bottom of your collections. And once at the bottom, you simply click on core and boom, we have our core. You could click on receive, copy it to this address. You could click on send and send it out of here as well. So guys, do ask any questions you might have concerning how we can add the core blockchain to our Trust Wallet, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.